What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be testing out e.l.f.'s brow pomade. I was told by the employee there that it was comparable to Anastasia Beverly Hills, so we are going to test it out on my brows and see how it fares. So if you want to see how I got these brows the way I did, and if this is a yay or a nay, keep watching and find out. Smoochies. Bye. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream in medium brown I use. So it's just basically like a this is for your brows, obviously, but I've not used it as an eyeliner. I got it as a pomade for my eyebrows. The clerk told me that it was similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, so we're going to put it to the test and see what it do. I have played with it a little bit, and I've been very impressed. I kind of dipped around in there, so it is nice and creamy. I'm going to also use my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, which I like because this is good for outlining my brows. And if you watched my brow routine, you'll see I also spoke of this in there. And I also have the wax stick. I now got it in clear, and I basically use this on top. Use this to outline. I'm going to use this to fill in my brows and this to set the brow hairs. We're going to do the first one on camera and the second one off camera so we can see how it does. Before I get started on this, please let me first say, hey, if you are new to my channel, what's up? I'm Jen. Glad you can make it. Thank you for joining me. And if you're a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? Glad you could join me. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know, it's free to join, you know, no strings attached there, Missy or Mr. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you do get notified when I post, because it is usually 3 days a week, Monday, Thursday, Saturday, but you never know, it can get changed up or there may be an extra video and you don't want to miss out. Plus, I'd like to do somewhat extravagant giveaways, at least for my budget. So there's lots more to come as well. Don't forget to hit all of those and join the Jersey Jenny family. Love you guys. Now let's move on and get started on all of these. So I'm going to do this. Sorry, I have my camera plugged in and I keep bumping the cord. All right. Here we are. We're going to start with, I like to brush through my brow. And I'm going to do my outlining first, and then we'll start on the pomade. Alright, so there's my outline for now. We can always touch that up. Now I'm going to take a brow brush. I'm going to start off with this Mikasa E100, which is a little bit bigger, to get the bulk of it. And we're just going to dip it in here. I like to hit both sides and then make sure I got some on the tip. And if you need to scrape off any excess, you can on the side of the jar. And we're just gonna fill in these bad boys and see what it do. And while it's still wet, before it dries out, if you need to clean anything up, you can. I generally tend to use the brush on the back of the pencil to just clean that up a little bit. Now you can use a regular spoolie and just kind of brush this through. Clean up the edges a little bit, and if you get it anywhere else, you can always wipe your spoolie off on. I always keep a rag on my lap just for in case of emergency. Then you gotta make sure there's no fuzz on it. I know my brows are always a pain in the tootie, but that's the gist of it. You can always go in with a smaller brush like I've got a Morphe M160-116, which is a little smaller, so I can get in those more precise areas and like clean it up a little bit, like right here. Or you could go in with your brow pencil and pencil in those little areas that you need to clean up. But after I'm done with all of this, I'm going to use the brow wax to, one second, let me finish this cleanup. Alright, but you can use the brow pencil to clean up any areas you need to. Or you can always cut it with a concealer to clean up any areas. I'm going to throw this brow wax on now real quick to set those hairs. I like the clear one better than the brown on a day that I actually do fill in my whole brow, because if the clear goes outside the lines, it's you can't tell. It just blends in. You can't see it. Whereas if I use the brown one, it can smear everything and be a hot mess. I try to use the brown one, the brown tinted wax, for days that I don't want to do anything with my brows. So it's just easy peasy. I just kind of use the wax to give them a little color, a little life, and to set them for those no makeup days. So I'm going to do this off camera, and I will be back with my final thoughts. We'll see how it dries down. I'll be back. Smoochies. Okay, I am all done here. They look a little crazy right now because they're dark and I'm not done with the rest of my makeup, but I have to say nothing comes off once it's on. It's locked on there, so I really like that about it. So yeah, I have to say I give this 2 thumbs up. Yeah, I really like this brow pomade. Highly recommended, and it's really affordable. How much was this? I'm not sure what it was, but I will list the price below. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish my makeup and go about my day. But as far as the e.l.f. brow pomade, brow cream I should say, and again this is medium brown, and also speaking for this clear brow wax, love them. This I think is the new combo, the ultra thin brow pencil in a neutral brown, medium brown on the e.l.f. pomade. Highly recommended, and I like the clear and the neutral brown in the brow wax. Those are my new things, my new duos. I'm all about it. They are just They're perfect. Nothing coming off. Amazing. Until the next one, guys, thank you so much for spending a few moments of your time with me today. And I know I can get chatty from time to time. Sorry, I just love chatting with you guys, and I love giving you as much info as I can. And sometimes my brain scrambles and I'm like, squirrel, and I go left and I go right, but I always center back. And I love you guys so much for joining my happy little Jersey Jen family. And until the next one, love you. Smoochies. Bye.